Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with angel broking. Friends, see here, angel broking rides fintech wave to record 127% growth in client base. Friends, that is released on April 7th, friends, and you are going to see what it meant. So, friends, one of the leading uh, one of the India's leading digital stock brokering company, Angel Broking, added new chapter to its decade-old journey. And friends, it recently added a whopping 4.12 million clients by March 2021, which is 127% rise over the same time last year. And friends, it added nearly 3 millions in February. That is a good number. And you see here, it also come up with an partnership with Vested Finance of US investment company, where angel broking customers will directly invest in a US stock market also. So see here, this angel broking DIY approach was instrumental in taking its journey to become India's third largest brokering company in terms of active clients on the NSE. So see here friends, uh, they developed Smart AI, which registered over 10,000 registrations as of December 2020. Maybe the number will increase in these uh, 3 months. So they are going to say they prepared and they launched a artificial chatbot also, and the client base mainly hails from tier 2 and tier 3. And friends, see here that there are also initiatives like smart money, smart bus are considerable reliable market related DIY process for investors. See here, the chatbot AI chatbot integration into accelerated mobile pages and UPI auto payment integration into mutual funds and vested investing for investors instructed to invest in international markets. These all are the benefits given by angel broking, and which is a very positive news. And I will show you more in this video about remaining things. So friends, this is what I want to show you about angel broking. Third largest in NSE active clients on December 21st, and second largest in incremental active active clients in December, and active clients base increased 8.1%, and total client base is 4.1 millions of March 21st itself. So we can expect a good revenue generation in going forward. And if you are going to see our next slide, see here, successful digital transformation also gives so much of advantage for the company model. Pre 2015 is the company 180 branches like short, but 2015 to 19 it's a physical plus digital model, and next 2019 onwards digital model fully, zero branches and flat pricing, 100% digital acquisition, onboarding, trade execution, extensive use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to continually improve digital experience. And it's a great thing. And they also created some options like third party products also, like Vasted for US markets, and Sensible and small case and streaks. So these are the all the things which will come under one roof, means it will be very advantage for investors who are willing to take accounts. So see here, digital properties build in-house for diverse and growing client base. So these are the things which itself in angel broking, and these are the third parties you can invest through this. And next friends, we are going to see that the client base friends here. If you are going to see here, on March 2020 1.82 total client base, and next one is February 21st 3.75, and this friends March 2021, that means last month 4.12, millions. So it's a very good number, and month on month 9.9% increase, and year on year 126% increase, and it's a good numbers, and we can expect a positive results from the company in Q4. So after consolidation, the stock is looking at very attractive price. I already told this in our last videos, but due to time delay, I cannot focus on which do video to explain in detail. And see now here, we can expect a good see here we can expect a good numbers comparing with financial year 20 and financial year 21, and these are the number of trades and the number of average client funding book and everything. So if you're gonna see more about this, is the most important thing which I am going to see is Goldman Sachs. Friends, if you see here, which was I taken from BSC site, uh, see here, Goldman Sachs India Limited bought total 12,98,000 shares, nearly 13 lakh shares bought by Goldman Sachs in Q4 of 2021 financial year. That FII base increased in angel broking. So this is what I mentioned to show you. And friends, this is my complete video on angel broking. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends. And this is 1.26%, I think. Goldman Sachs is taken 1.26% stack in angel broking. So friends, thank you very much. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends. Thank you.